Groundwater and aquifers. A lot of the water that comes down out of the rain does not go over land flow. It goes down through the soil into the aquifers. This is a cool picture of an aquifer. It shows the house on top, and then down they dig a well and into this wet area. It usually is not plain water. It's usually in the cracks and in the spaces between the particles. Here's a groundwater flow, and it shows the uplands are recharging and going down into the drainage areas. And the groundwater comes out at the bottom, whether it goes overland or not, it comes out into the discharge. This lower chart shows a nice recharge at the top, and it shows years, or it shows centuries, or millennia, thousands of years to go down through these lower layers and to recharge the lower aquifers. It takes thousands of years. So over thousands of years, we have built up aquifers, underwater storages of water. There's two different types. There's the impermeable layers that create an unconfined aquifer at the top, which is much more common, or a confined aquifer underneath, like our aquifer out at Stargavin. It's confined and therefore pressurized. Here's a nice diagram of the different aquifers. The important part here is the amount of time it takes to recharge the aquifer. Wells pull water from the aquifer, and it shows how over the periods of months how you draw down the water, and this cone of depression is hitting this house. These people are depressed because they have no water. The big well has taken the water away. Aquifers are throughout the country and the world. Here's a detailed map of our aquifers. The biggest aquifer is the Ogallala. The Ogallala aquifer, it's even fun to say, is one of the largest aquifers in the world. And it's very important because this part of the country is relatively dry. So if we can pull the water out of the aquifer, we can use it for farming. However, the aquifer water levels in decline. All the brown areas noted on the map are areas where it's been declined up to 185 feet has been drawn down in some of these aquifers. If we continue to use this, and we probably will, we will see the aquifer depleted. It will go dry, depleted by 2150 in 100 years. It's almost all depleted. We're going to have to find some other way to farm because we've used up that